Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Nessus 10.8.4 on Windows operating systems. Okay, first download Nessus 10.8.4. It is the latest version. So go to Google and search for Nessus download. Then scroll down. Then click on this tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. Click on it. Then we have to fill all these details. Then we will receive the activation code. So fill the details. Then if you want to receive the updates from Tenable, you have to select this checkbox. Otherwise, keep as unselect and click on Get Started. See, successfully registered. Check your email for the activation code. Later we will check for the activation code. Click on Download to download the Nessus. Click on it. Now we have to select the version. See here, the latest version of the Nessus is 10.8.4 and platform is Windows. So click on Download and see here, this is the release date. Click on Download, then select I agree. See, download started. Go to Downloads. See here, the size is 100 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file. Click on Next. Then select the license agreement and by checking the checkbox, that is I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on Next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on this change and select the path. I'm okay with the default one, so click on Next. Ready to install, click on Install. See, installation completed. Click on Finish. Now click on Connect via SSL. Then click on Advanced. Then click on Connect to localhost and save. See here, it is initializing. Wait a moment. See here, welcome to Nessus. You can click Settings to configure the Nessus proxy, plugin feed and encryption password settings before you start installation. Or you can select Register Offline to configure. So click on Continue. Then select the Start a trial of Nessus export. Then click on Next. See here, already have activation code. So we have activation code. So select the skip this step to enter it manually. So click on Skip. Now we have to provide the activation code that we have received. Go to email and get the activation code. See here, we got the activation code. Copy it, paste here, then click on Continue. See, this is just confirmation. Click on Continue. Now we have to create a user account. See, create a Nessus administrator user account. Use this username and password to log into Nessus. So remember this username and password. Then provide the password. Then click on Submit. Not now. See here, downloading plugins. This will take time. Okay. I'm pausing this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. See here, we have successfully connected to Tenable Nessus Essentials. See here in folder section, My Scans, All Scans, Trash. In resources, we have the policies, plugin rules, and Terraform. And if you go to the settings, see here in the left side, we have the options like About. See, in the About, we have the version number, last updated and expiration date. And this is the policy template version. And this is the activation code. See, license utilization. Here also we have the license rows, 0 of 16 users. Here also we got the same information. Software updates. See here, automatic updates. If you want to update all components, you have to select the checkbox. And then select the update frequency, daily, weekly or monthly. Okay. And you have to provide the update server. If you want to disable, select disable. Then you have to click on save. Okay. Plugin detail local. See here, if you want to enable plugin locals, you have to events. See here, following events happen. And advanced. See here, user interface, scanning, logging, performance, security and miscellaneous. and also see here the options: proxy server, SMTP server, custom CA, password management, scanner health, notifications, and click on my account. See here, this is the user full name, and if you want to provide email, provide here, and if you want to change the password, provide the current password and new password. Then you have to click on save. If you want to generate API keys, click on here and click on generate. Okay, so if you want to go back, click on Nessus Essentials. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Nessus 10.8.4 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.